welcome back to World of Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Dodge Journey and you have engine light on and code P0058 oxygen sensor heater bank tube sensor tube, stay with us guys. We will explain how to fix that, how to diagnose to make sure that the oxygen sensor is bad, where it's located, and how to fix that problem, guys. Stay with us guys. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. All the tools and parts that we use, including the scanner, will be listed in the description of the video below. So, we have this Dodge Journey here, guys, 2012 3.6. Let me go ahead, start it, and I'm going to show you guys, how we have the engine light on now. So we'll go ahead, start the car now. Let me show you what is happening. Okay, we have engine light on, guys. You can see engine light on, so definitely a problem there. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to fix it now. I'll grab the scanner here and show you which scanner we'll be using now. So this is the scanner that we'll be using, right here. Very good scanner, guys. I'm going to go ahead, scan the system quick and see what is happening. We have one engine light code in the system. We're going to read it and it will say generic. You can see P0058 oxygen sensor. High circuit high bank tube sensor 2. So I'm going to go ahead, and we'll go back. We'll go to live data, right here. Live data, Now view graphic items. And now we'll select bank tube sensor 2 and we're going to see the graph, guys. Bank tube sensor 2, right here. This one right here. Now check out the graph. The graph, it doesn't move at all. If you notice, it just stays flat. It shouldn't be that way, nope. It should be going up and down some. It should stay around 0.9 volts and it's 1.2. And if I give it gas, nothing changes. We'll go ahead, replace it and see what it's going to look like after that. So looking at the engine, guys, that's a 3.6 engine bank tube. It's on this side, sensor 1. It's this one here, sensor 2. Is that sensor all the way, down there. So let me get something long, something metal, and I'm going to show you exactly which one it is. So this is, guys, this right here, this is sensor 2 bank tube. So we'll go ahead, replace that one and see if that fixes our problem now. So we're inside now. I'm going to turn the ignition on, engine off. We'll get the scanner now. We'll click diagnostics again. It's going to load. See what else we're going to do now. You can see engine light is blinking now. We're going to select erase codes. Processing now, and the light will start blinking in a little bit and it will reset itself. We need to turn the car off and back on now. So if I start the car now, guys, check out, no engine light at all. So you can see that definitely, guys, fix the problem so far. But let's see if the sensor actually works. If I go back, data stream, graphic items, and we're going to select here bank tube sensor 2. Bank tube sensor 2. Check out now the graph, guys. It's going to show 0.78 and now it's going to go up and down, and it will stay, after it warms up, it will stay close to 0.9 volts there. You can see it will stay close to 0.9 volts. So that definitely, guys, fixes our problem now. Definitely, guys, something that fixed the problem. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.